Noom Mood Tracker Pricing explained what you get for your money. You've probably heard of Noom for weight loss, but the company also offers Noom Mood, a program designed to help you manage stress, build resilience, and improve emotional well-being. So, what do you actually get for your money? Noom Mood costs around for a 4-month program. Unlike therapy apps, it doesn't match you with a counselor. Instead, it focuses on guided lessons, daily mood tracking, and behavior-based coaching. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just journaling. But Noom Mood is built on cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, one of the most proven techniques in mental health. The app helps you identify triggers, reframe negative thinking, and build long-term habits that improve your mood. You also get a personal coach for accountability and daily lessons that take just a few minutes to complete. Over time, these small steps add up to noticeable emotional improvements. While it's not a replacement for therapy, Noom Mood works best for people who want structured, science-backed tools to manage everyday stress. So, what do you get for your money? A step-by-step roadmap for better mental health, practical, private, and easy to stick with.